Welcome back. By the way, just to add on to my previous video, it was my mistake that I didn't show this, and I just got fooled by the conversion between the values, because this is in hex, by the way. And if you look at the, if I go down a little bit, I'm trying, yeah. So if you look at this, this is in hex. I just forgot about that. And this is, by the way, in decimal. So you can see, by the way, this value is actually the size of the data. So it's telling you the size of the raw data is 26800. If you get a calculator and you convert that, you can get that this is 157,696. Now, you don't want a calculator, right? We don't want one. Actually, if you just look at the inspector, you can see that this is the value 157,696. 157,696 is the size of the section. So this is where, this is the size of the code. Okay, this is the size of the code, and it's telling you that it starts at offset 400. This is the size. Let's look at another one, just another example quickly. My mistake for forgetting about this. And let's look at this one. So the size of the raw data is 9C00, which is 39,936. If we look at the data section, sorry, not this one. If we look at this one, the image section, it's 39,936, which is exactly what we see over here, 39,936. Okay, so this is very important. As you can see that we have the inspector, it can convert them to us, so don't get fooled. Make sure you don't get into the same mistake I felt for. Make sure you check that this is hex, and this actually is in decimal, which is already calculated for us. And actually, if you click on it, by the way, if you click on it, it shows you that this is 156, and it's telling you this is the size. Where is it? Which one am I clicking on? Yeah, it's telling you, no, not this one, sorry. Give me a second. So if I close this, and yep. So you can see the, if we click on it again, we can see that this is the size, and between brackets and hexadecimal, which is the same value over here. So again, make sure you are able to do those conversions. And as you can see here, 010 editor with the inspector and all of these features available makes all of this very easy for you to do all of these conversions between hex and decimal, etc. Just taking a little bit of coffee. So the same thing, by the way, if we take another final example, let's say the resource. So if we look at the resource section, we can see the size of the raw data here is C00, which is 3072. And if we, let's close this and then go to the resource, right? We can see 3072, which is exactly this value. If you click on this, it's telling you that it's 3072. And if we go here, it's telling you that this is the size, and it's C00 in hexadecimal, which is this size over here. Okay, and it's telling you this is the size of this over here. Now, yeah, that's it for, and okay, one final thing. Let me add just one final thing before we end this video. As you can also see, this is where this data is going to be located on disk. So this is where this data is located. You can see this is the offset to the data where it's located. Okay, 32C00. And if you click on it, okay, we can see that it starts at 32C00. So you can also see that how the 010 editor allows you to see, okay, this is the value here, which is an address, or it's a relative address to where this data is actually located in the file itself. So size or pointer to raw data, that's a file on disk, where the virtual address and all of that is a relative address, which is going to be in memory based on different addresses and the image base itself. Yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.